Welcome to the NIH Library 3D printing service, where imagination becomes reality. This is where research breaks boundaries, where ideas leap off the screen and take physical form, where innovation isn't just imagined, it's created. From complex data to intricate molecular structures, we transform your concepts into tangible, hands-on models that you can see, touch, and explore. Discover new perspectives, unlock deeper understanding, push your research further than ever before. Whether you're prototyping the next breakthrough or visualizing the unseen, this is your gateway to possibility. We guide you through every step, from preparing your model to producing the final print. The NIH Library 3D printing service helps you turn your vision into reality. Getting started is simple. Head to the 3D printing service page and select Submit your 3D print request. Complete the order form. You'll receive a confirmation email with instructions to upload your files. For the fastest turnaround time, submit your model in .stl or .obj format. Need more details? Full printing specifications are available on the service page. From there, we'll take care of the rest. Our team prepares, prints, and delivers your model, keeping you informed every step of the way. When your model is ready, you'll be notified for pickup. From molecular structures to anatomical models, from custom lab prototypes to breakthrough designs, the NIH Library 3D printing service brings your research to life. Researchers are transforming complex scientific data from biomedical databases into dynamic visual experiences, using advanced molecular visualization tools to bring their work into the physical world. Turn ideas into impact, transform concepts into reality. See your science like never before. The NIH Library is here to guide you in every step of the way, from file preparation to model optimization and printing recommendations. We make the process simple and approachable. Discover tools, find free models, learn the software. No experience, no problem. This is your starting point, your gateway into the world of 3D printing. The NIH Library's 3D printing service makes this powerful technology accessible to the entire NIH research community. Whether you're just starting out or already exploring 3D printing in your work, we are here to support you. Our mission is simple: to help you visualize, test, and share your ideas in ways to bring them to life. With 3D printing, concepts that once existed only on screen can become real, tangible objects, unlocking understanding and sparking fresh discovery. At the NIH Library, we're excited to help you turn your research into reality, one layer at a time.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.